Welcome to school too.
Good morning, ma. You are welcome, ma. What do you want? Okay, this one I 1,000. 1,000? Very, very fine.
Is it not 500?
I said 1,000, you are pricing it 500. If you don't want to buy, you can just be going,
Why are you talking to me?
How you want somebody to talk to you? The price, you don't put the price this thing 500, 500. If you don't want to buy, they go. I beg.
What is happening here? What is happening
Oga, good morning. You imagine, she just come the price, a whole bunch of 500. So when they say 1,000, if you don't want to buy, you not go another place.
See, Obutu. I tell God, beg you, not spoil business from you. What did they worry you now?
What did I do?
Don't you know that customers are always right?
Yeah.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
They are right. Even if they buy something, they say they don't get money to pay, send out tomorrow. Leave them. Customer, I don't drive customer from you.
This is what you want to use your life for. I'm going to do manage, you know.
500. No, but which other one you go like again, madam?
There is the place. Okay. How are you, my friend?
Fine, sir.
How is market today?
Business is fine.
Give her one nice dress for her Christmas. So your guy told you that customers are always right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. This one, Jennifer, even in the next 22 years, you can't wear this. This is too big for you. Eh? So,
You just 75,000.
75,000 naira.
Yes.
Hey!
Oga, I don't have that kind of money.
No, you just take them. Maybe when you have the money, you come and pay.
I should take them. When I have the money, I should come back and pay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, my friend.
you are
My
right.
friend, thank you very much. Jennifer, let's go.
More music at ninjalude.com.
From my shop?
Yes, sir.
From my shop?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yes, bless you too.
Obutu, we don't make am. I trust you. When I carry you, they come for village. They tell me say you go help my life. I don't believe. They tell me say you go help me for Lagos. I don't believe. See my shop. See my shop. Market one just go yesterday. Everything don't finish. Obutu, God go bless you. We need market, Abi. How much be everything where they buy?
75,000.
75,000.
Yes.
I talk am. Now, my pastor said this year is my year. I think say na play.
Yes.
75,000. You know what go happen? Time see day. So bring the money, ma go buy market because you got one container we just enter so that we go fit buy new cloth, latest design.
They not pay. They say they'll bring money when anytime money reach their hand. Brother, now
Hey.
what do you tell me? Now you
As
say
I-
when they come down, they won't buy a man.
You know their house.
I don't know their house.
My pastor want me when I go Cali. Say you go send me go village. That you say na play. He tell me say.
School too. Yeah, they greet you now. They arrange for us in you get shop.
My brother, who's Katara? So hello all of you. This is Big Mickey.
Yeah.
The one you know as Okutu is Kutu. We just dismantled this very shop.
And now you are trying to arrange.
The lady was so faithful to us. She was one of our cast. She's a God sent, and we just want to do our own service by putting
Arranging
place
the
in
shop.
order.
Correct.
Madam, take.
All right, see Jennifer.
And for those of you who is looking for bomb shot, we have a lot of bomb shots.
You know a bomb shot here. Hot one.
All right,
Which we are
X1 also is in the building.
We will have your size any kind of.
We have pinafores, you know. Oh baby, this is good for. This one is good for preaching.
Introduce it. Ladies and gentlemen, Oluwa blessing.
Hi, what's up, videos? Watch us for my own next move. It's gonna be a boom.